Thank you so much for joining in this video. This is a quick video just to show you how the Ronald Kaunda platform works. So this is a platform where you go to learn. If you don't have a link, just go online and search for Ronald Kaunda like that, and then enter. I'm sure among the first results will be the websites, and you just click on the website and it loads up like that. Okay, so once the website has loaded, you can have a quick look. If you scroll down, this is just information, and then we've got courses here. And once you hover on each courses, there is this pop-up which gives you more information. These are just testimonials of what people are already saying about the lessons. You can register on this, otherwise just close it. And then this is a brief of how it works. And then we've got course bundles where we have included courses, and as you can see that we've got this course costing that much, that course costing that much, but in a bundle we have tried to make it cheaper. And for grade 10s to 12 and GCE candidates, this is price. Yeah, but remember, for now we are not charging anything, it's free, so these will be the prices in future. We don't know exactly when, so the earlier you register the better. Yeah, and this is it. Now, how do you actually just start learning? To start learning on the website, scroll up to the top. Let me see, when you go to the top, there is this button, my account, and once you click there, you see there will be this pop-up. You put in your name, your password. That is if you are registered. If you are not registered, just click on sign up here. Now, before I click here, I just want to show you that if you are using a mobile phone, let me try to see if I can squeeze this into a mobile version. Yeah, a mobile version will look like this. There will be a menu here, and there will be down. So there will be the logo, which is different to the main website. You just click there and you see, then you click on my account. It's at the bottom. So it's one and the same thing. And then when you click here, or you go back to the site version, you click there, it will bring you to this. But I think for the mobile phone, there will be there won't be this pop-up. You go directly on sign up, so directly it will take you to the next page that you see. So it will bring you to this page. On this page, there is a sign up button here, which you click. Once you click, it opens more boxes for you to fill in. So let's quickly fill in this. Let's say my email is example email at gmail.com. So example email at gmail.com. My username will be example student. I need you to put your real names. I'll just do example student like this. And then my password, the password says password must have a minimum characters of 8, and these should be numbers, letters, and at least contain one capital letter, a minimum of one capital letter. So I'll write that password. I'll start with a capital letter. My first sign 20 hash. Let me just confirm my password. My first sign 20 hash. I'll just copy it and paste it in here to confirm. Then you need to agree to the terms and conditions, and specifically to the privacy policy. And then all you do is sign up. Click on sign up. You can see that the website is loading, even though here it seems like nothing is happening. It's loading up there, and voila, you are in your account. So this is the first thing you will see, and you can see that I've got my username here, which was example student. I just wrote example S, and it brings me to this. And since I've just signed up, I don't have any courses. I don't have any courses. And the first thing that you see is the enrolled courses, nothing, messages, nothing, wish list, nothing. Obviously, everything will be nothing. Let me just click on each. You can see messages, no messages yet. Everything will be nothing, nothing. And then if you have got any orders of courses, they'll be here. So I just want to draw your attention to the settings. Click there. So this is where you can do your settings. You can add your photo here. You can write your name. Remember, when registering, we just put the username and not our real name. This is where you put your name, proper name, and if you want to change your password, you can change it here. And then if you've got a question, you can send this question. So here you can send a direct request to the site owner, meaning you can send a message to the admin of the site, and then you can log out from here. So logging in, it's up there. Logging out, it's in your dashboard. On settings, you can log out. And as you can see, let me just go back here to enrolled courses. You can see that I already have 5 points. So if you register on this website, you get 5 points. And then if you click here on the 3 dots, groups, you can create groups of 5 people, meaning that you can buy group courses at a cheaper price. Then your assignments will be here, your certificates will be here if you finish any courses, and then this is your points. I'm going to click there so that you see what you find there. Okay, so far you've got, for registration, you got 5 points, and the total points that you have are there. If you want to get more points, let me just open this so that I show you where and how you can get more points. So I am on that page which shows how many points you get for what action. For registration, it's 5 points, which you already got. For purchasing a course, you get 10 points. For passing an assignment, you get 1 point. Just take time to go through how you can get points. You can see that there's also a lot of points. Now, if the user registered on the website, the person that you shared the link to, if they registered, you get half a point. And if they purchased a course, you get 1 point. All these points will be translated into money, and you can use that money to buy more courses. This is all in all where you get. But how do you get courses when you are registered? So you just click here where it says courses up here. And as you can see on the screen, we are now on the page where we've got courses. And what can you do if you like? Let's say you want to enroll in structure, English structure. You just click preview this course. And once the course has loaded, you can read information about it. You can see how many number of students so far that are there in the course. Then it has got 27 lectures so far. So because there are 27 lectures, you can even make, if you finish all of them, you can make 27 points. Then you can click here to see the curriculum, and all these are free lessons. But as you are going to notice, all these courses have been reduced to 0 kwacha, so you don't need to pay anything for now. And like I said, I don't know how long this will take. And if you want to start learning, there is no need to purchase this course. As I said, all you need to do is start. And remember, if previously I mentioned about groups, this is what you do. Let me click on groups. You can create a group and invite 5 people. Just put in their emails, and then they will receive an email to accept the invitation, and they will join you in their course. So let's start a course. We are not paying anything, so just starting a course. You click on start course. Yeah, so your course will look like this. This is your course page, and it will look like this. And as you can see, you can even make it full screen. It will be like that, and your teacher will be talking. If you want to revert back, you just click there. If you want to see the curriculum and where you are, you click here where it says curriculum. Then you can see we are on introduction, which is here. If you log in and you have reached this far, a lesson will look like this. And I was just trying. You can see there is a comment there. That's the portion where you ask. Now, the lesson will sound like this. I'm going to play this one. Hello guys, and thank you so much for joining me. I am so glad that you decided to join me in this course. Now, before I even go any further, let me tell you that this is just a component of the entire English course for the exams in Zambia. This is just a structure. If you want to learn composition, summary, and comprehension. Yeah, so a lesson will sound like that, and I'm sure it's very clear. And if you want to learn distraction free, you just click on curriculum and it goes away. To bring it back, click on it again, And if you want to learn in dark mode, you can see the sun there. This is dark mode, and you can close that to make it clean, nice and clean, and then you can play your lessons. There are other courses dedicated. Now, while talking about that, okay, so I think this is it. If you've got a question, like I said, come to the discussion panel. There's one, you can add a new comment, or you can reply to the comment that you sent, like that, and send it. If you've got a question, new question, you can just start a new one and say, hello teacher, my question on this lesson is blah blah blah, then send. And as a teacher, the teacher of the class is going to receive that question. That's it. The message is sent. Okay, so that's how you do. And then when you are done, just say complete and next, and the lesson will automatically complete this one and go to the next one. Okay, so we are in the next lesson where we talk about parts of speech. The same story. Just click on play and it will start playing, and you've got a fresh discussion panel here where you can ask questions, and if you want it in light mode, just click there and it will be in light mode. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the course.